Here is everything included in this emergency strobe light bar. It uses cigarette light, has a dual switch, plenty of cable. You can also disconnect it here, and each one of these can be ran pretty far away. If you wanted to use them far away from each other, they can be mounted in the back or rear window. Come with these mounting brackets that go on here, and then see they have the adjustment that you can move it, and these suction cups which go inside the mounting bracket like so they can be put on your windshield. Let's go ahead and get it all set up and installed on my truck. You can see there's these holes right here, and then there's the adjustment on the back. You put the screws in here, and then you can adjust it as such. You can see here's the adjustment, and they're good quality brackets. What I really like is these nuts have a great lock washer and a normal washer. I could just hear them cinch up, and as you can see, they included 2 extra screws, which extra screws is a huge bonus as far as I'm concerned when dealing with any products you get. Always great to include extra screws, and that always makes me happy as a customer. Light up in the front windshield of my truck. You can route the wires as you need. Good suction cups. I already mounted one on the other side, and I can't even pull this thing back off. It's wild. You can see how good the suction works as such. Those are great suction cups. You can twist this. You can loosen the screws over there to twist them down how you want. To route this however you'd want in a vehicle, no matter where your power outlet is in it. I'm pulling on it, and it just won't come off. These are incredible. I'm gonna have to slide this thing off and then pry it. You gotta pry it right here. Those, look at this. So you just go ahead and flip this switch to power it on, and you can see them going up there. And then this switch controls all the different strobes. The light switch has different modes. There's just a solid state. There's a strobe feature. Different strobe feature. Faster strobe. Even faster strobe. Another one. And really flashing. It illuminates. You can see this from far away. And definitely works. It mounts well. Very versatile. If this suits your needs, I definitely recommend this product, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.